As we are going towards the end of October, you might want to ape into buying this coin because it has a high potential to perform crazily towards the end of this month of October. If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. Yeah, Bentoda is saying, this is the Astoba I aped to avoid confusion. I don't give financial advices, I just vibe. The name of this coin is Astoba from the word October. They are saying building energy and innovation on BNB chain, a community project driven by real momentum. Vulture is saying CZ says Astoba, Asta non-stop pumping. The number of orders is increasing. The price refuses to drop. The volume is rising. Binance season is here. Asta about all-time high. 2.5k orders for now, sitting at 500k market cap for now. 24 hours volume is 5 million. And he said, are you really fading Astoba? And here Astoba Twitter page is saying, it all comes down to the efforts. On behalf of the Astoba community's value spreaders, quality partners make the difference with Astoba community. Idos Uma posted this one 2 days ago. He said, something great is about to happen soon. BNB chain. Buy Astoba now, not later. Check the chart and see how the bullish is gonna go in. Posting yourself, my brothers, before the rocket. So concerning the Astoba coin, it is under BNB Smart Chain Network, and the present market cap of this Astoba is $34,000 market cap, and the liquidity is $29,000 liquidity. Here is the price of the Astoba coin. The price is 0.00003460, and if you come down here, you can see that this Astoba coin was actually created just 14 days ago. That is in the month of October, and this coin has a high potential to actually perform well towards the end of this October. And these are other information about Astoba coin. The number of orders is 2,000 orders, and the top 10 orders is 21.76%. The circulating supply is 1 billion, and the maximum supply also is 1 billion. The all-time high is 0.001344, while the all-time low, it has 4 zeros before 2751. And this is the market cap chart of Astoba coin. This coin has actually touched 500,000 market cap before, 600,000 market cap, and even above that before, just in this month of October. Therefore, it is in a good buying position presently, and the present market cap is now $27,000. It presents you a very good buying opportunity for now. This coin actually has a lot of potential to do over 10x from this present market cap. That is to say, if you invest just $20 into this coin, it can easily give you $200 from this present market cap by the time it gets to $250,000. And here are other information about Astoba coin on Token Sniper. It is actually interesting to note that this coin score 100 over 100 on Token Sniper. For the swap analysis, it is not a honeypot at this time. The token is sellable, and the buy fee also is what is 0%. The sell fee also is what is 0%. For the contract analysis, it has a verified contract source, ownership renounced, and source does not contain an owner contract. That is fantastic. The creator not authorized for special permission. And concerning the other analysis, Creator Wallet contains less than 5% of circulating token supply. It actually has just 0%. All other orders possess less than 5% of circulating token supply. Top 10 token holders possess less than 70% of circulating token supply. They have 21.75%. And for the liquidity analysis, adequate current liquidity 0.72 USDT in PancakeSwap, 0.01 BNB in PancakeSwap, and 11.81 BNB in PancakeSwap. Then the last one here, at least 95% of largest pools liquidity bonds are locked for 15 days or longer. That is 100%. This is fantabulous, guys. This is fantastic. So I've shown you all the information you have to know about Astoba coin. This video is not a financial advice, it's just for education and entertainment purpose only. Do your own research before you put any dollar into any coin. Your investment in crypto is actually your personal financial responsibility. And if you'd like to join my inner circle called Crypto Vault and Lifetime Mentorship, where you focus on buying low caps and tiny coins before they start going parabolic, before they start going viral in prices, then you can chat me up to be added to the group. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us meet in my next video.